Yung malalabas ko kung sino ako. At hindi siya yung mau-off. Kasi medyo may pagka-abnormal ako eh, so... Kailangan niya matake yun. And na-take naman ni Catherine yun.
One look at you, my whole life falls in.
That's love. Tinatanggap ko siya kahit may mga mali siya.
I prayed for you before I called you.
So everyday, matututunan kami sa isa't isa and yun yung nakakatawa, yung sabay kami nag-grow.
Oh, I can't believe it's true.
Very matured na yung mga desisyon niya. Doon ako natutuwa.
Can't believe
Yung mga desisyon niya para sa amin.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to
Sana parati kang happy everyday.
It's
Dahil pag happy ka, masaya kaming lahat.
Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever
Ang
I
totoong pag-ibig ay nakakaganda.
Totoo.
I get to love you.
Kayo na ba?
I get to love
Sa amin ni Catherine is action speaks louder than words.
the way you love.
Feeling ko yung buong trip na yun eh. Kasi kasama ko yung mga tao talaga na kilala na ako, yung malalapit sa akin. Tapos yung importante doon talaga, yung privacy naming lahat.
Nothing
Yung balisin kasi talagang ang saya ng trip na yun, Rabal.
again.
Siyempre, sobrang happy ni Catherine nung time na yun. Yun pa lang, nung successful yung birthday niya doon, okay na, yun na yun.
It's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love.
Sabi ko sa amin, pag nag-promise kami, dapat yung trust mo binigay mo sa
It's a
kanya.
promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do.
Try niyo na bang mag-I love you sa isa't isa?
I get to love.
Yung tinatry yun, dapat sinasabi at dapat gusto mo talagang sabihin. Hindi lang, it's not for the sake of saying it. Dapat gusto mo talagang sabihin.
you. I get to love you.
Thank you to everybody.
It's a
And I'm very proud of you.
I promise that I'll never leave. When it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me.
Ang sarap eh, di ba? Nang partner mo yung kasama mo sa success. So, wala na akong ibang mahihiling, kundi yun na yun.
Love you.
Ina-appreciate ko lang every second of my life.